Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday to you. Whoop whoop.
Thank you, baby. I love you.
You, Mom.
It's been too long and I'm lost without you. What am I going to meeting you? Is your heart still mine? I miss you. Off to college, yes, you went away. Straight from high school, you up and left me. Woo! We were close friends, also lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me. Can you hear me? Hear me calling for you. Cause
Yes, baby. It's in it.
Is your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometime. Now I'm sitting here thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. Wondering if you still care. I don't wanna let you know that it's killing me. I know you got another life. You gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you feel me? Hear me calling for you. Cause want take you, baby. Is your heart still mine? No.